exercise 6.4 question number 1 to 3. Today we will start with question number 4. Let us go to the question. Find the least number which must be subtracted from each of the following numbers so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the number so obtained. So how to do it, let us check. The first number is 402. So first let us find out the square root of this number. As usual, make pairs from here 4. 4 already is a perfect square. So 2 2s are 4. When we subtract 0, bring this to number 0, 2. The next step is add 2, we get 4. By writing any number, 4 with here, when you write any number and multiply, you should get this number. Is it possible? Not possible, because 2 is less than 4. So what we can do is put 0. So here also 0. So 40 into 0, 0. So you got a remainder 2. That means if you remove this 2 from this number, you will get a perfect square. So what will be that number? 402 minus 2. That is 400 is a perfect square. And what is the square root of that perfect square? 20. So square root of 400 is equal to 20. Let us do one more example. Here 1989. So first we made into two groups. Now take 19. What is the perfect square just below 19? 4 4s are 16. So 3, 8, 9. Now add 4 here, we get 8. Now think of the number 8. Here you have to write a number and multiply by that itself to get this number or a number less than this. Which number it will be? Let us check. If you write 84, 4 4s are 16. 32 plus 1, 33. We can try with another number. 5 5s are 25. 8 5s are 40 plus 2, 42. This is not possible. So we need to go with this number. So 84. 336. When we subtract 3, 5. So if you remove 53 from this number, it will be a perfect square. So 1989 minus 53. What will you get? 9 minus 3, 6. 8 minus 5, 3. Remaining as it is. 1936 is a perfect square. And what will be its square root? 44. So square root of 1936 is equal to 44. Now let us see question number 5. Find the least number which must be added to each of the following numbers so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the number so obtained. There is a slight difference between question number 4 and 5. In the previous one it was subtracted and here it is added. Now let us see how to do it. The first question is 525. So let us find the square root of this number. Here 5. So 2 2s are 4. 1. Bring these two numbers down. Add 2 here. We get 4. You have to write a number. Now think. 42 into 2. 84. Let us try 43 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 4 3s are 12. we cannot take this number. So we have to go with 42. Now 42 twos are 84. 1 and 4. Here we got a reminder 41. That means 22 square is less than 525. So we have to find out what is 23 square. Let us find out what is 23 square. 3 3s are 9, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. 529. So here we have 525. How much to add here? 529 minus 525. That means 4. We need to add 4 to get the next perfect square. Now let us see the next question. 1750. Make groups first. 4. 4s are 16. When we subtract 150, 8. Think of a number. See, if you take 81 ones are 81, 82 twos are 2 twos are 4, 8 twos are 16. We have only 150. So we cannot take 2, we can take only 1. Okay. Now that means 41 square is less than 1750. So we have to think of 42 square. So what is 42 square? Find out. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 4 4s are 16. 1764. So 42 square is 1764. What is the difference between them? 1764 minus 1750. How much it is? 4. 6 minus 5, 1. So we need to add 14. What we have to do? We have to add 14 to 1750 to get a perfect square. Okay. That's all for today. The next few questions we will do in the next video. Thank you.